Let me have a good look at everybody first. Hi, everybody. Ah, what a sigh. Yes, I can breathe. That's the most important thing, to breathe, to take a pause. It's so important. Well, I must thank universe for making sure that I'm creating a story right here, right now. So, empires fall, strategies change. Guess what? Policies change too. Everything changes. But a story, it can outlive all of them and quietly rewrite the future. The power of storytelling. The more I tell you, you will realize less you know. It's far more powerful, 22 times more powerful than anybody lecturing you or telling you, ये मत करो, वो मत करो, ये सब ठीक नहीं है. Story you can remember for a lifetime. Stories have been a part of our culture. It's been there since eons. The epics like Ramayana, Mahabharata, the stories of those times, even the other stories, have come to us. Like how? How did it come? कहते हैं कहानियों के पैर होते हैं. They travel from one era to the other, one country to the other, one state to the other, one household to the other. आज तुमने खाने में क्या बनाया है? ये भी तो कहानी है. So yes, it travels at a supersonic speed. For me, I think stories has been a part of my growing up. Since childhood, I've been surrounded by stories. And of course, I need to thank my grandparents for that. They have contributed to my think tank, to my inquisitiveness, to my questioning, to all those things like कब, कैसे, कहाँ, क्यों. इतने सवाल पूछती थी मैं कि बस पूछो मत, जैसे हर बच्चा पूछता है. So I think all that inquisitiveness has got me where I am today. The most interesting part of storytelling is that it teaches you things without a lecture. Two of the stories from Panchtantra were always my favorite. यहाँ पे जो पहली सीट पे सब बैठे हैं ना, वो फट से बोलेंगे, मुझे पता है. बिकॉज ये हमारे टाइम की कहानी है, गडेरे की कहानी, शेर आया, शेर आया. The whole essence was, झूठ मत बोलो, don't lie. This really created an impact on me. I think I try not to lie. I won't say मैं बिल्कुल झूठ नहीं बोलती, वो तो झूठ होगा. बट हाँ, मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं झूठ ना बोलूँ. बिकॉज वो गडेरिया की कहानी सुन सुन के मैं थक गई थी, पक गई थी, और वो इनग्रेन हो गया कि भाई झूठ मत बोलो. Then there was this another story from Panchtantra, which was about two toads. Daddu, Daddu तो सबको पता होगा, frog. It was a frog staying in the pond, and the other one was a frog who was a traveler. Now, of course, जो डड्डू पॉन्ड में रहता था वो तो कहता था भाई मैं यहाँ का राजा हूँ, बस यही दुनिया है, दिस इज इट, दिस इज माई वर्ल्ड, इससे बड़ा कुछ नहीं है. बट द वन विच वॉज ट्रैवलिंग, विच वॉज अ ट्रैवलर, he came and spoke to this one little daddu from the pond and told him, तुमने समुद्र देखा है? बहुत विशाल है, it's huge. And he says, बिल्कुल, कितना बड़ा होगा? 2 टाइम? 2? He says, नहीं. चलो 5 time. So he says, nahi. It's huge, it's humongous. You can't imagine. You can't fathom what an ocean looks like. So he said, chal jhuta. Because the toad in the pond could not see anything beyond his own life. That's why. Gaant bandh li. Traveling is very important. It opens your mind far more than books do. It teaches you not to just believe in yourself, believe in others. It gives you an opportunity to think that your sun is not the only sun. There are million suns and moons somewhere that you have not seen. There's so much to explore. Well, these were the narratives of childhood, right? Now the main thing is, as you grow up, the child in you really never grows. The only thing is, your stories change. And you don't even realize that they are stories. But today, after listening to me, your ideology is definitely going to change. Let me start with the place where you spend the maximum amount of time. Home. Ghar. Ghar ki kahaniyan. Every household has those beautiful stories. Now, when we talk about home, the first thing that comes to us are the characters at home. We have all kinds of characters. But there are some characters, we want to know them more. We want to know their story. Inki life mein kya hua? Uthal puthal. So many times they have fallen down. And so many times they got up. Their stories of victory, their stories of regret, their stories of failures, achievements, name it. So many stories. The stories that will make you laugh so that you can fall off the chair. Well, every household has that hero, the hero without a cape. So there is a Superman or a Superwoman right at home. I heard stories of my parents, their strength, their conviction, their belief. And all that has made me strong as a person because they have carried it all the way for us till where they are now. Well, my favorite story is their love story. I cannot beat that. अरे क्या टाइम था. मतलब एक ही टांगे में कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँच रहे थे और क्या पता था सारी जिंदगी ही साथ रहेंगे. 58 years is not a joke. So we all have those stories. That is like a legacy that you carry from your household. Your traditions, your belief system, your value system. Things that you have learned and unlearned. It is unbelievable how these stories are clogged somewhere. But if we show interest, we can hear all those stories. Trust me, when you go home, build a deck of stories. That will help you learn your own traditions. It's very important. My stories may be different than yours, but you should take account of those stories because the ideologies have evolved from where it started and where it is now. Every period, stories are going to change. The resilience, the characters, the strength of the person, you're going to learn about that. And that's important. Well, another thing that comes to my mind is, there are times when we lose people, Well, I lost many people at my place, and I'm sure, unfortunately, I never got a chance to spend with my paternal grandfather. He was quite an icon, they say. But what kept him alive for not only me, for my cousins, for my siblings, were the stories that we heard about them. I think we are the ones which are carrying that baton for a new generation, for the generation that's coming up, for showing them, showcasing them what kind of legacy we have. घर में एक और जगह होती है जिसका खास जगह होती है आपके मन में. All the women here are going to agree with me. The kitchen. माँ के हाथ का वो पराठा. Now, what happens is, over a period of times, we forget those traditional recipes that have run in our families. They are also stories. They're stories for us to carry forward, which we forget. Aaj bhi I can travel the world, but my favorite is rajma chawal. Ay, nothing can beat that with anardane ki chutney. And that's the legacy we carry. We come from J&K. भाई जम्मू के राजमा तो भाई अब यहाँ तो जंगी हो जाएगी कि कोई और कह दे कि कुछ और बेटर है. So those stories of your kitchen, please don't let those recipes die. I think it's very important to keep that brimming. The stories of your kitchen. The things that we wear, sometimes we don't even realize. I love to wear my dad's watch. Not because it's fancy, but because it belongs to my dad. Many a times we flaunt our saris saying, this is my mom's. That's also a story. So many things we wrap ourselves in without realizing that they are stories in our life. The pair of earrings that I'm wearing right now, they're my favorite. When I became the golden girl, you know what I mean, right? Crossing 50 is golden. Not everybody gets a chance, but I did. So when I was becoming 50, so I thought, kya kare? And of course, father is a father. क्या चाहिए बेटा? I said, बस रहा pearls. भाई बुढ़ापे का सहारा है. जब पहनूंगी तो लगेगा कि belongs to a certain generation. So this also has a story. So anything around us, कोई कह दे कि इसमें कोई कहानी नहीं, मैं तो कभी ना मानूं. Stories bring us together. That is the power of stories. My story, your story, stories sitting, maybe the last person here, there. They all have stories. Now, as we shift from the stories from the home, there's another thing which we are bombarded with, which is the stories of corporates. They're not selling us products. They're selling us stories. ये दिल मांगे मोर, हर घर कुछ कहता है, डर के आगे जीत है. ये सब कहानियां हैं. A cafe, I can't name it, and I won't. They don't sell us coffee. They sell us stories too. So yes, we are bombarded with everything. Constantly, they make us feel कि अगर तुम्हारे पास ये नहीं है, तो तुम कुछ नहीं हो. So वो होना ज़रूरी है. वो भी कहानी है. कि भाई, if I do not buy this, I'm not good enough. So as I said, we are definitely bombarded with stories. When we are in school or colleges, like university students here, you're constantly reading some case study or the other. What are they? They're also stories. किसी की कहानी पढ़ के हम सीखते हैं और ये समझ जाते हैं कि अगर इसने ऐसा किया तो मैं भी ऐसा कर सकता हूँ और शायद मुझे सक्सेस मिल जाए। अब ऐसा है कि जब हम न्यूज़ सुनते हैं तो कह देते हैं अरे इतना परसेंटेज पॉल्यूशन था, तो परसेंटेज वी विल नेवर रिमेंबर, बट इफ somebody paints a picture and tells you that children are finding it difficult to breathe, that's what you will remember. That is the power of stories. It's difficult to ignore this kind of a story because it's painted right in front of you. And now the main thing is, these are stories that you can all see and we talk about. There are stories which we don't talk about. And that's something I really want to talk about. Stories can actually save us. Yes, they can. Of course, you're definitely going to ask me, like, how? First of all, a story is never a sequence of events. It's never a sequence of events. The moment you change your lens, your story changes. Now, you will wonder, ये lens कहाँ से आ गया? One story can change many lives, and this is so true. Haven't you seen that two people maybe face a similar incident? One calls it a trauma, and the other one calls it a turning point. Don't they? What changed? Not the event, but the narrative. The narrative changed. Well, a couple of years ago, I was diagnosed with an autoimmune disorder. It's called lupus. Lupus. I'm sure many of you would have not heard of it because when I got it, I had never heard of it. Cancer pata tha, lupus nahi pata tha. It changed everything for me. When I got to know that I have lupus, it was like, I don't know, I felt miserable. I was wondering, what the hell is this? And the worst is when the doctor told me that this is like a dragon sleeping. So it's never going to leave you. So this dragon can awaken any time. There is no timing. So I was in pain. I really thought I would die because of that. And, when they don't know what exactly is the reason that you have this disease, they always put it on, oh, maybe you overthink. Well, there's so many people who overthink, but they don't get lupus. Yeah? That was my question. This same story playing in my head over and over again was making me weak. Over a period of time, I discovered that there are three things that you need to check on. One is your body, one is your mind, and third is emotions. Well, working on myself, the body slowly started to take care of, because initially I started to take those medicines. But the latter two was difficult to crack. The mind and the emotions. But trust me, the day I decided to crack that, everything changed for me. Lupus. I renamed it for my own self. I started calling it Love Your Pure, Unlimited Self. Instead of thinking that I'm a survivor, I started to think I'm a warrior. Yes, अब मेरे ही हाथ में छड़ी है और मैंने ही अपने आप को बचाना है. I just became like झांसी की रानी for my own self. मरता क्या ना करता. I think that changed my story. Then again, there was this time when I was wheelchair bound for quite some time. And you know, when you have steps, not everywhere they have ramps. So many times, 4 people had to lift my wheelchair. Now, there were 2 ways of looking at it. I could have felt, हाय बेचारी, मैं सारी दुनिया मुझे देख रही है. अरे देखो, अच्छे से देखो. I'm the queen on that throne that's been carried. That's what I felt. And the minute I felt that, my story. There is no greater agony than bearing an untold story. When something happens in your life, good or bad, beautiful, unfair, what do? You tell yourself a story. Not aloud, not on a stage, but inside. That story is important. Arey yaar, I'm not enough. I don't think. Why these things only happen to me? मेरे साथ ही क्यों? Then there are times when we will say, अरे कहानी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त, बाकी है. And in that quiet, invisible moment, your narrative is born. And that narrative is very important. We think stories are what we read in books. Yes. Also the stories that we hear on TEDx platforms. Yes. But the most powerful stories are the ones that you whisper to your own self. Is this story serving me? Is it making me powerful? Is it making me weak? You know, we need to choose our words carefully. Don't use negative words, even as a joke on yourself. Because your body doesn't understand that it's a joke. They only understand those words. I'm strong, I'm beautiful, I'm good, I'm wonderful. They understand. I'm stupid, I'm ignorant, I don't know, I'm lost. They also understand that. Well, when you change the way you see your story, everything changes magically. We are not consumers of stories alone. We are editors, we are creators. We make our own stories. Well, we cannot always choose what happens to us, but we can choose what's following. अभी हमारी कहानी खत्म नहीं हुई, बाकी पन्ने बाकी हैं. So we need to focus on those pannas, on those pages. Well, the transformation is, where does transformation happen? The transformation happens when you choose to change your own story. That's the real transformation. मैं जब बहुत छोटी थी ना, तो मैं स्कूल गई. तो जब स्कूल से वापस आई, तो पापा को मैंने बोला, आज पापा मैंने एक चीज़ सीखी है. तो ही सेड, क्या? अच्छा, आपको पता है कि ये 2 कान किस लिए होते हैं? तो ऑब्वियसली ही वांटेड टू प्ले अलोंग. सो ही सेज, हाँ बताओ बेटा, किस लिए होते हैं ये 2 कान? तो आई सेड, पापा, एक कान से सुनो और दूसरे कान से निकाल दो. But what happened is, this was the greatest lesson that I learned when I was a kid. But I think, जिंदगी जीने में, बड़ों की तरह जीने में, हम असली लेसन भूल जाते हैं. Keep what's required and let go what's not. We need to filter our stories. We need to rework on our stories. You need to tweak your stories to make it a powerful story. And your story need not be on the billboard. But, as I said, you are the hero of your story. Stories have the power to teach, transcend, and transform. Thank you so much.